Hello and welcome back to Simple-ESL and Grammar Made Simple. Today we are moving on to talk about the present continuous. So far we've practiced present simple for habits, routines and facts and things that are always true. But the present continuous is different. We use it to talk about things or what is happening right now, or what is happening around now. So something that is temporary. So, for example, I work in an office. This is a general fact. This is present simple. I'm working at home today. That's happening now or could be temporary. This is present continuous. We're going to learn how to form the present continuous step by step. We're going to learn how to use it with I am, he, she is, you are, for example, and in the verb with ing endings. And we're going to make negative questions or negatives and questions and learn how to use them correctly. So let's go through some form and have some examples. So what is the present continuous? We use the present continuous to describe two main things. First, actions happening now, something that is in progress at the moment. So for example, I am eating lunch. Second, we use it for temporary actions, situations that are true for a short time, but not forever. So, for example, she is staying at a hotel this week. It's temporary, it's only for a short period. So, let's look at how we form this. The present continuous is formed by using the verb be plus verbs ending in ing. So, am is an are plus verb ing. Let's look at some examples. Julie usually wears jeans, but today is wearing a dress. Okay, so Julie usually wears jeans, but today is wearing a dress. Here, usually wears is her normal habit, but is wearing is what's happening today. What she is wearing is the temporary part. Let's look at another example. They are talking on their phones. This is an action that is happening right now. And we can see here we have the form of are or form of be, which is are, and the verb to talk, ing. They are talking on their phones. An action happening right now. It is raining a lot outside. Again, this is something happening right now in the present moment. We'll go through these a little bit more and figure out how to choose am, is, or are to make negative sentences and questions in the present continuous. And once again, here is the structure, which is very useful. So this is when we use am, is, or are. So the subject, if it's he, she, or it, we use is. If it's we, you, or they, we use are. And if it's I, we use am. So she is wearing a dress. We are talking on the phone. I am eating lunch. The present continuous always needs be, am, is, or are. And the main verb always ends in ing. Let's look at the spelling rules for the present participle. This means the ing form of the verb. So the present participle to wear becomes wearing, to talk becomes talking. Most verbs add ing. To wear, to talk, ing becomes wearing, talking. So it's a very simple way. It doesn't end in a special way, just add ing. Now, there are some verbs where we, ending in E, where we drop the E and add ing. So to choose, to make, we need to remove the E. So we're going to get rid of that E and then add ing. Verbs ending in IE, we change the IE to Y. So to tie, to lie, to die. We will get rid of IE and add a Y. So they are tying. They are tying. If the verb ends with a consonant vowel, consonant pattern, So consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. Shop, sit. We double the last consonant before adding ing. So to run, to swim, to sit, to shop, add the extra consonant, so another P, then ing. So the pattern is one syllable plus a vowel plus consonant at the end. So incorrect if it's SHOPING. We're looking for SHOPPING, shopping. Let's look at some examples. He is choosing, a verb to choose, a book. She is tying her shoes. They are shopping for clothes. So try to remember these rules as we go through today's lesson. And here are some common mistakes, especially with state verbs. State verbs describe the state, not an action. They often describe what we think, what we feel, what you have, own, what you need, what you want. So what you think, what you believe, what you know. So they're not used in the continuous tense. Because they're not actions, we do not use state verbs in the continuous tense. Action verbs can be used in both simple and continuous verbs. State verbs are not usually used in the present continuous. So, I read every day. I am reading right now. These are correct. I own 2 cars. I am owning 2 cars. This is incorrect and is a common mistake. Own is a state verb. So we don't usually use it with am, is, are plus the verb ing. And some questions in the present continuous. Remember, the present continuous is be plus the verb with ing. So how to form questions. The pattern is am, is, are plus the subject plus the verb. So we can change this around. He is playing tennis becomes is he playing tennis. We can swap he and is. They are going to the park. Are they going to the park? She is eating pizza. Is she eating pizza? Very simple. We can swap these round to ask the question. And we can ask WH questions. This is who, what, when, where, why. So now we can ask questions using this information. And we can use it to get more information. So what word plus am, is, or are, then the subject, then the verb. What are you eating? Where are we going? Is it raining? All of these questions can be answered with more information. So, what are you eating? I am eating a sandwich. Where are we going today? We are going to the shops. Is it raining outside? You could say yes or no. So it could be a real simple answer, yes or no. Present continuous with negative. So this is how you can say something is not happening right now. So to form the negative in present continuous, the structure is subject plus be, so am, is, or are, plus the verb ing. To make the negative, we do something very simple. We add not after be. So I am not, she is not, they are not. So he is wearing a tie becomes he is not wearing a tie. We are taking the bus. We are not taking the bus. They are looking at their phones. They are not looking at their phones. So remember that the present continuous negatives not comes after the verb to be, am, is, or are, not after the main verb. So he is not can also be contracted. We love using contractions in English. It makes the sentence shorter, makes it quicker to say, something that native speakers use a lot. So he is not becomes he isn't. We take away the O, we smash it all together. They are not, take away the O, becomes aren't. They aren't. And now it's your turn. We're going to practice and do a little bit of a gap fill exercise. I study English right now. So what would be the full answer? I am studying English right now. Notice the time phrase right now. This is a strong clue that we want to use the present continuous. It's saying it's something that's happening in this moment. She cooked dinner at the moment. So we'd use is, and cook becomes, add ing, cooking. She is cooking dinner at the moment. And at the moment, once again, tells us it's happening right now. They play football in the park. So we're using are with they. And what happens to the verb to play? They are playing football in the park. We watch a film this evening. So with we would use what form of the verb to be? Are watching. We are watching a film this evening. Now, this evening can mean an arrangement, something that is planned. We often use this in the present continuous for plans just like this. He take the bus to work today. So if it's he, we're going to say is, and take, we've got to get rid of the E, haven't we? So if we remove the E, add ing, he is taking the bus to work today. Today suggests it's a temporary action. Maybe he doesn't usually take the bus, or maybe he doesn't go to work every single day. But today, he is taking the bus. Well done if you got those correct. And it's your turn to write some questions. On this slide, you're going to see 5 groups of words. Your job is to rearrange the words to make a correct present simple question. So, first one, you do like pizza. So do is for I, you, we, they. So we use do you like pizza? Nice and simple. She does live in Manchester. How can we turn this into a question? The main verb stays in the base form, live. Does she live in Manchester? Well done if you got that correct. They do study English every day. So, do they study English every day? He does play football on Saturdays. So we want to ask, does he play football on Saturdays? Fantastic. And we're going to move on to our last one. We do need an umbrella today. So we'd say, do we need an umbrella today? So well done if you got those correct. If you like a little bit more practice, why don't you try to turn these into negatives? Do we need an umbrella today? We don't need an umbrella today. Does he play football on Saturdays? He does not play football on Saturdays. And a bit of a discussion exercise here for you. This is where you can practice your present continuous in a real conversation. So don't worry about being perfect, just try to speak and practice. And remember the structure for today. So be, am, is or are, plus the verb in its ing form. What are you doing right now? This is a WH question, so we give more information. We're trying to say more than just yes or no. A good answer, I am watching this lesson and taking notes. I am practicing English carefully, or practicing English and listening carefully. Perhaps I should read carefully. What are you studying English? This is a yes-no question, so your answer can be short, but let's try to add a bit more. Are you studying English? Yes, I am. I'm studying English to improve my speaking. No, I'm not. I'm just reviewing a little today. Just a little brush up. I'm not learning English. So notice we use am because the subject is I. What is your friend doing? So here we want to talk about another person. So we'd use he or she. And the verb would be is. So my friend is working at the moment. My friend is studying right now. If you don't know what your friend is doing, that's fine. Just make up a realistic example and practice. The important thing is using is and the verb in its ing form. And we're going to have a quick summary of today's lesson about the present continuous in our Grammar Made Simple course. The present simple continuous is used for actions happening right now. So we use it for things that are happening in this moment. I am watching this lesson. She is cooking dinner. You'll often hear phrases like right now, at the moment, or today. It is formed using the verb to be plus the verb in an ing form. I am studying. He is working. They are playing. We also went over the spelling rules, which can be complicated. If it ends in an E, we'll drop the E and add ing. The verb to make becomes making. We can double the last letter if it ends in a consonant. So shop to shop becomes shopping with two P's. If it ends in IE, we get rid of the IE, add in a Y. So to tie becomes tying. So make sure you don't always just add ing automatically. Check the ending of the verb. And state verbs are not used in the present continuous. Some verbs describe states, not actions, like to know, to like, to love. You would say, I like pizza, not I'm liking pizza. You would say, I own a car, not I'm owning a car. Okay. And we also touched on negatives using not and be. So she is not watching TV. They are not studying right now. And remember the contractions is not, isn't. Are not is aren't. And questions that swap be with the subject. To make questions, we can swap the subject and am, is, or are. She is watching TV. Is she watching TV? They are studying. Are they studying? And before we go, I just want you to try something in your head. If I say you are learning English, what's the question? Are you learning English? And if you want more lessons, worksheets, you can check the link on the screen, allmylinks.com/simple-ESL21, or scan the QR code at the end of today's lesson, or click the link in the description or the bio. And for a limited time, if you go to allmylinks.com/simple-ESL21, not only can you get money off tutoring, access to worksheets, we are giving away 3 months free subscription to our Patreon with all of our courses and our worksheets. This can be found at allmylinks.com/simple-ESL21 while there are still places available. Once they're gone, they are gone. And we will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.